Hey Roblox, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are playing Don't Press the Button. Whoa! So much fun. Okay, why is it all black? I don't get it. Whoa! That was a big explosion. Oh, there you go. Now you can't see my face. Okay. What are we doing? Oh, I got somebody. What? I was trying to freeze her. Okay. Well, that did not last at all. Pick. Which one's red? Which one's red? Oops. Well, we're definitely gonna lose this one. I couldn't see the colors, okay? I was hoping that'd be right one, but red was actually right here. Oops. That wasn't me. That wasn't me. People, that was not me. Get away. Oh, dang it. Because one person put the red on green. I'm just trying to play along and make sure that it was not me. Ah! Oh. This is actually kind of fun. I wish I could hear the satisfying ones. The satisfying sound. But nope, I'll get the copyright claim. Diamond! Look out! Button rose. On the ground, get the button and click it. What? Yeah! I did it. Boom. Zombies and skeletons will come out of the grave. Soon you fought either zombies or skeletons. Defeat the monsters. Okay, this is more like a Halloween one. These are gonna be easy. What just happened? Oh, that was weird. Get out of here, skeletons. Skeletons. Ah! One just came out of the ground. Ah, two. Get away. Ah, I love killing. Not in real life, but in the game. Oh my gosh, we killed that many skeletons? I only killed like 3. Why do we have to drink it? What does it do to us? Why do we sell the bottle? How do you get rid of... Okay. Ah! Stay on the spinning queue as long as you can. Whoa. Ah, not even close. I'm gonna tip. I wonder if whoa. Get up there. I think I might actually win this. Whoa. I almost jinxed myself. Wah! Let me reset the protect. Oh, yeah, the bottle's gone. Watch out, boulders are coming. Ah! Okay. Okay, I thought I was gonna die. Well, starter. God, did you see that? She just fell. Oh, slide. Why is there a noob face up ahead? Why is there a noob face up ahead? Why is there... Whoa. Where are we going to go? I don't know where we're going. Whoa. That was not to the plan. Now I have poop on my head. I think you just pooped me out. That's disgusting. I need to do something here to take it off my head. It's off my head. Okay. Oh. Deliver the pizza. Okay. Where's the pink? Go to a greenhouse. Go to a green... Oh, shoot. I hope that helps. A lover is hiding somewhere in the bushes. Find it and pull it in to open the temple door. Oh, I found it. You're welcome. Because I'm the one that pulls it. I'm the one that goes first. Now let's go. Ah! Get out of here! You're gonna get up here! I pressed it, guys. I pressed it. Boom, boom. Guys, I'm getting a PS4 today. Why am I not up there? Ah! Okay, guys, well. I'm getting a PS4 today while we wait. Also, today's going to be an exciting day because tomorrow my father has an interview to become a teacher. And if you wonder what teacher he is going to be, he's going to be a special ed teacher. No one is state. That's funny. Whoa. That was so close. Did you guys just see that? That was like the closest. Careful. Whoa. Banoom. Whoa. Is my rabbit okay? I won. I was literally the only one that won. Are you serious? I was literally the first one there, so. Lots of people. I literally just jumped off just for a coin. And dang it, now I'm in this floating cube. Okay. I'm in a floating cube for 17 seconds. Did you know that I can also speak British? Alright, let me show you. For 8, 7, 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 1 second. Emily, yeah, that's cool. I'm British. guys, since I don't have the comments on, just like, what you're gonna do, subscribe if it's my British accent is a 10 out of 10, and like if you think it's a 1 out of 10. My British accent. I hit it again. Get ready to dodge. Platform. How did I read that one? Whoa! Oh my gosh, no one left. Dude, I'm literally the only one alive. No! I was the only one. I'm not gonna do it. If I couldn't do it, I'm just gonna let me out of here. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? I don't even know what to do. Why is there a zero count right there? I don't even know what anybody's supposed to be doing. Why is there random new people just jumping out in the air? Shh, guys, I'm not saying like I don't know what I'm doing. What the heck do I do? Help. Let me out. It's time. Time's up. Emily 16 won the most with 25 points. With 25 points for what? I don't get it. A diamond is in the cave. Collect it before anyone else does. Well, I'm going to collect it. Because I'm the YouTuber here. I'm pretty sure nobody else is making a YouTube. But I am. Okay, apparently that was the wrong way. So let's go this way. Okay. Where though? Where the heck did you get that diamond? Blur up. Oh, I'm not in that cube. Whoa, okay. Oh, the sky. Whoa, I'm jumping in the air. And there's no floor. How the heck am I floating? Whoa! We're in space. It's fun. Whoa! Where the heck did you get that from? I did not bought that. Lyndon, the chef, is missing the ingredients to bake a cake. Go find them. V the fun got the sugar. Me. Well, what cake are you gonna make? What? I'm good, thank you. I don't want a piece of cake. Why the heck is my shirt like this? Okay, my shirt was literally just totally blue, guys. Did you see that? Why is my shirt like that? What the heck? Okay, this is the one that I literally lost. So hopefully I can do it right this time. Literally, I only got one. Put it here! Are you serious, dude? Right here. Look at her. Here. Oh my gosh, she's just doing this on purpose. Are you serious? I'm not gonna play if she isn't gonna. Ah! Again, dude! You were supposed to plug it in. Nobody's gonna want to play with you if you just don't know what to do. So annoying. Why is my shirt plain pink? Alright guys, well I think I'm gonna end the video here, and today yeah, thank you so much for watching. Wait, no, I need to finish this one and then we can end the video. I just love obbies. LOL. I just need to finish the obby. No! No! How am I going to finish in 19 seconds? Yeah, I'm not. Alright guys, well I guess I could have ended the video. Alright guys, now I can finally end the video. Remember, like, hit that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, and hit that like button, and turn on those post notifications. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. Bye, y'all.